Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 3 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 7 other screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 10 total screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.